As we all know, DJI launched their later new Agras products, the Agras T50 yesterday. So what kind of feature you can expect? What is the difference comparison between T50 and the Agras T40? A lot of upgrades you can expect for this. What I can say, what are the detailed difference and the comparison, and what are the new feature? Let's begin.
Ready, steady, go. Meet the brand new DJI Agras T50.
First, the payloads. Yeah, the payloads doesn't have much changes compared to T40. Same like 14 liter, 14 kg for the spraying, and for the spreading, a little bit changes. Is like 15 kg same, but the spray down volume is another 5 liter added, 75 liter now. Instead of 70 liter in T40, now we have 75 liter. And for the flight speed, we got much more stable. In the T40, you might see one is a turning, or sometimes it looks smooth compared to T30. It's very smooth, but it's not that so smooth in the turning point. But the T50 is very smooth, and it can handle the flight speed very well. So you can go up to 10 meters per second maximum flight speed. Even sometimes you can go for your operation speed. So that's really impressive part. And in terms of coverage, similar 21 hectare per hours, because as long as we are using the rates, usually we are using the low volume, maybe 50 liter per hectare, or for the spreading maybe 225 kilogram per hectare. So these are quite slow, so that means there is no point you can use the flow rates or the T50. T40 is just 12 liter per minute, so T15 got up to 16 liter per minute. So if you are using the high volume spray for the fruit trees, maybe like 90 liter per hectare or maybe 100 liter per hectare, because the fruit tree have a large canopy. So in such kind of application scenario, T50 will bring you more benefits by going with the 16 liter per minute flow rate. So yeah, most of the parts may be similar, but you will see the droplet size more uniform compared to the T40. And when you need a lot of flow rates, that will be a good solution for you. Okay, so now I will go for the very detailed for the spray system, and see the droplet size also much more uniform, and large coverage, and faster flying speeds. So you can expect the higher efficiency for the high volume spray and the better coverage. So, and most important thing is about the U10. Many people have a question like, when you are spraying, there is no point the drone go with the headings turning all the time. This is wasting our time. Even though now the latest firmware upgraded to that the U10 is smooth and faster. So it's not just for the spraying, faster, higher, and more droplets in terms of coverage. So it will help you your challenges. So because you can go also no U-turn flights, and the bulb, solenoid bulb, stop immediately, so there is no drifting, or the mechanical structure is very fixed. So there is no hanging around in the spray system. What about so if you say that they have a lot of upgrade in the pumps, the pump is not just 16 liter per minute. If you want to go for the full nozzle types, you can install another 2 nozzles to reach up to 24 liter per minute. So apparently 2 pumps the same from the 12 liter to up to 24 liter per minute. A lot of upgrade in the impeller pumps. And another thing, the battery consumption or the impeller pumps is reduced at is very low. It's now only 200 watts. So you can expect the low battery consumption while increasing higher flow rates and also smooth in terms of the resistance of the water passing through. That's the reason we got the more droplet size. For regarding with the spreading efficiency, what kind of increasement we can expect? Because for the refilling gauge is ultra wide, it's very wide, so it will shorten the refilling times. And the flow rate is up to 108 kilogram per minute, so it will shorten the spreading times. And it's all about how to shorten the times. And if you are spreading for the right seat, or you can go more tank volume, like 75 liter, up to 75 liter, and you can carry more in one flight. And you can reduce unnecessary times. If you are the experienced person, I can say it will increase your spreading efficiencies in a day or in hours. So, and another challenging you have with spreading fertilizer. So what did you do with in the T50 spreading system? Yes, we use a double coated layer now to protect such kind of damages. After one operation you change the cable, there is no point. I know that is too suffering, so we upgraded the cables now. Well, in T40 we didn't use the radar in the downward, because in T30 we learned the lessons. The spreading can damage the radar. Now we use in T15 the radar downward, so you might be thinking, could it damage to the radar? No, it will not happen. We make sure test it, and we make sure the spreading volume and the spreading will go to the to another area, on to the farm only. There will not hit to the radar or to the propellers. We make sure such kind of advancement and upgrade in the T50 system. And another thing is for the safety system. For the safety system, as I mentioned already, we have a 2 radar and 2 binocular vision that have you solve your challenging with the T40. The terrain radar now is cannot go well, right? In T15, the terrain is the most powerful ever, and up to the 50 degree slope, it can handle very well and very smooth. Of course, for your information, if you use for the mapping times, you can do the mapping the same like T40. The mapping time, the slope should be around 20 degree maximum, because I cannot detach much for the mapping. Just for your information, okay? So at last, what else I can do? I will cover about the camera and the radar. We have 2 radar can have for the HD mapping. You can do the survey mapping. Of course, similar like 30 hectare in just in 10 minutes, and for the fruit tree you can go 5 hectare in 10 minutes. And if you do not need, there are another software feature. If you do not need to, let's say you map for the field, but you are worrying about the boundary only, and you can do the mapping only boundaries. So you not just area mapping and fruit tree. In T50 they will have a boundary mapping. So you just fly the boundary around, and it will save your battery, and it will help you a lot. And of course, apparently we upgrade the remote controller. Look like similar, but we use a core processor. It helps you for the mapping very well. And the more apparently is the transmission. Now instead of 2 antenna in the drone, we have 4 antenna. Yeah, in the drone itself, you see, I see only 2. You might be asking, but another 2 is also, we have another 2 in the rear side. It's in the back. They have 4 antennas, and the kilometer range can go far. That means the stronger signal. So all in all, yeah, there's some upgrade with the battery and the charger, the generator, and still I don't think that will be much for you, because almost we maintain the same like T14, and because of the power consumption we can lower compared to T14, and you can expect flight times, and you can expect to put some more payloads, because like T14 you couldn't bring like maybe like you are bringing 25 or 26 in some kind of worst case scenario, depending on your sea level elevation. So you can bring now more than another maybe 3 or 4 liters. And the batteries serial number somewhat changed, but stay the same, like 1500 charging cycle. So in conclusion, T15, I would say 1 watt is kind of solve your challenges with T40, and make sure the terrains in terms of like spreading and spraying headache, the noise issue and the drifting and accuracies, all the things, it's become much more powerful. Why? The price is just a small increasement only. So the price is almost stays similar, and you will get, your headache will be cut soft. So it is worth buying afterwards. So don't forget to order now, and don't forget to reach out to our sales people, and we are happy to assist. Stay if you have more questions. We are always ready to assist to give you the powerful, the latest Agras T50. See you in the next video, and we will come with the flight test or T50 for you. Bye bye.